guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this really cool toned purple blue look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And as always, if you guys want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below if you live in the US, because our giveaway is US only. So jumping right into the look, first thing I did was I primed my eyes with some concealer and then I set it with some translucent powder. First, I'm going into the Shop Violet Voss Taupe Notch Palette, and I just went into those two shades that I just pointed at. I'll leave all the names of the shades in the description box down below, but I'm just pretty much mixing those two. And I wanted a super neutral, cool toned crease, so I just picked up that palette for our first transition color. And then I decided that I wanted to add purple because I haven't done a purple look in a really long time. So I picked up the ABH X Norvina Volume 1 palette, and I'm picking up that B4 shade with this angled brush. And I'm just popping this into my crease, and I'm just going in left and right motions, just really applying a pigmented line because this is going to be our map for where we apply and layer our depth, and we're going to slowly start to blend it out and then build on top of that. So I'm going into this small fluffy tapered brush, and I'm going back into our first two transition colors that we mixed together, and we're just going in left and right motions, just kind of diffusing that line and just starting to build a gradient. So I'll show you guys step by step exactly what I do to get the look that I got. But next I picked up a little bit of that purple shade on this brush, and we're just going to slowly start to build a gradient. So I'm literally going over top of this line, not really blending it any higher. I don't want it to go anywhere near my brow bone. I want to keep everything super low, and we're slowly going to blend it up and really build that gradient. So I'm going back into my fluffy brush, and once again going back into those first two transition colors and just going over top of that half of the crease and just kind of really diffusing those outer edges, and then going back into this angled brush and that purple shade and just kind of redrawing that line and bringing back some of that depth, because when we do a lot of blending we tend to lose a little bit of that depth that we had first achieved. So I don't know what the blending process looks like for you guys, but I definitely have to do a couple steps over and over, and it's kind of repetitive, but it's needed for a nice blended look. Next, I'm going into this Dose of Colors Block Party Shadow in the shade Teal Me More. And at first I thought I wanted to do a halo eye for this look, but I changed my mind. I wanted to apply this blue shade all over my lid, even the inner corner. So I'll show you guys how I did that in a minute, but I did wet my brush with some Fix Plus, and this is with no glitter glue, nothing. This shade is absolutely stunning, and it's so pigmented. I didn't have to cut the crease, none of that. It just applied really nicely. So I'm just applying this all over my lid. So I did already apply the outer corner, but I'll show you guys how I applied it in the next step. So I picked up this small pencil brush, and I just really patted the majority of that pigment on that very outer edge, and then with whatever's left over on the brush I just did dragging inward motions to blend it into that pigment. And then I took off my tape. For lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sophie Bella Bali lashes. If you guys want to check out our lash company, our link will always be in the description box down below. And then I'm applying my Urban Decay Double Life Liner in my waterline, which is my favorite. And then first thing I'm doing is mixing those two first shades onto my lower lash line. Same shades that we applied in our crease, just kind of redoing that onto the lower lash line. And then going into the angled brush and the purple shade and just redrawing that as close to my lower lashes as possible. And then I'm going to be mixing the two shades together just to make sure that everything is nice and blended. And then for mascara, I'm going to be applying my Mad Lash mascara by The Balm, and I'm just applying a nice coat to my lower lashes. I love the length that this mascara gives me, and it definitely separates them. And then I'm going into my Pop Beauty highlight in the shade Gilded Light. And this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to help us out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye!